Our next fallacy is the either-or fallacy, otherwise known as the false dilemma. And this fallacy forces listeners to choose between two options when really more than two options exist. So this is saying that there's either a right way or a wrong way, and there's no gray area in between. And a really good example of this is in politics, especially when it comes to presidential elections. Oftentimes, the media presents us with the Democratic candidate and the Republican candidate and says you can have one of these two people and no other options exist. But in reality, there's usually a Green Party candidate and a Libertarian candidate and an Independent candidate and a number of different people who are running for the same office. But we're led to believe that there's only two people who have any sort of chance of winning. And that's the false dilemma. That's the either-or fallacy. Either you vote for this person or you vote for this person, and that's it. So it really oversimplifies ideas and topics and issues that are much more complex than we give them credit for often.